Hello guys, this is Shreyansh and I'll be guiding you through your trading and investment journey. So in this video, I'll be suggesting you which trading app should you use for your crypto investments and why not to use its competitors. So I suggest you to use CoinDCX Pro, which I have been using since the past one and a half years, and I'm a quite satisfied customer. And now the question is, why not WazirX? So the first point is fees. WazirX has been charging a very high amount of fees, and we'll check it right away by comparing it with CoinDCX Pro. So this is the CoinDCX Pro site, and it shows a 0.1% and 0.1% of INR trading fee, whereas on WazirX it is 0.2% and 0.2%, which is the exactly double, and it is a very huge amount. Now, while comparing the withdrawal fee, let's just compare it when any coin like Matic, because it depends on coin to coin. So let's check with Matic. So here it is Matic. Now here the fees was 6 Matic, but whereas on WazirX it is 31.6 Matic, which is 5 times the withdrawal fees on CoinDCX Pro. So now I think any sensible investor could make out how much is WazirX charging its customers, and which is a very high amount. Now the second point is funds transfers. You can view the WazirX Twitter handles regarding the fund deposit issues, which are quite frequent, whereas CoinDCX Pro does not have any such. Also, unless it is a maintenance break. I know this might not continue in the future, but this is what the stat says. Now the third point is number of coins. WazirX has around 196 listed coins, whereas CoinDCX has around 256 listed coins. But the main issue is WazirX does not have some of the coins which I trade extensively and which can help you make insane profits. Now the last point is server issues or listing issues. WazirX had listed a coin named Shiba Inu on the 14th of May 2021, where it was listed at a very higher price than the actual price, where many FOMO investors had bought it already, and they made insane losses, which WazirX blamed it on the misconfigurations, and it denied compensations. But after the Twitter controversies, WazirX to compensate users who lost on volatile meme coin, but in return the company had assured compensation through WazirX tokens, which was not fair enough. So I know this might not continue in the future, but it is a point to be concerned about. Talking about the sign up process, it's just the basic process, but ensure you use a different password everywhere, which is an alphanumeric password with special characters just for safety purposes. After which you need to submit your PAN card details and your bank account proof like a cancelled check or a bank statement. Now this verification process takes around 2 to 3 working days, but once you are verified, I'll just show you how to trade. So let's go on spot trading, and this is my profile which I'm logged in. So the first step is buying US dollars. You can trade in INR, but I'll suggest you US dollars, and I'll make a separate video on it. So USDT, this is Tether. Now it's trading upon 79.44, and I'll just buy some quantity like for 1000 rupees. Suppose I am getting 12.57 USD dollars. Now buy and limit order placed. So now I have $12 in my account. So after you've got USDT in your account, I'll just show you how to buy a coin. Let's suppose Dogecoin. So this is the chart and this is the pricing currently. Let's say buy Doge. Suppose I want the quantity as 40 and the price which it is right now, and it is for $10.83, and I just have to place the order by Doge, and that's it. Limit order placed. So that's it for this video, and I'll suggest you to watch this series in a sequential manner.